All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you what you can do to enable PlayStation buttons on DS4 Windows in the event that whatever game you're playing will actually allow you to display PlayStation controls rather than Xbox controls. Because the whole idea of DS4 Windows is you're pretending that this is an Xbox controller because most games don't know what to do with a PlayStation controller. It's just the sad truth of gaming. It's a lovely controller, but you can't always use it. So when you've got DS4 Windows open, find your controller and make sure whatever settings profile you want to use is currently selected, and then hit Edit. Here in your Edit settings window, you want to go to Other, and then here at the top, the emulated controller, you can switch to DualShock 4, or that's what they call the PlayStation 4 controller internally at Sony, and then you can click Save. Now, what this is going to do is it's going to change it so that it's now telling the computer that this is a PlayStation 4 controller, and then it's going to treat it accordingly. Games that don't support this, if you try to switch it, they'll just break and it won't detect a controller anymore. If that's the case, just go back into DS4 Windows, hit Edit, go back to Other, and then here at the top, you can just switch it back to emulate an Xbox 360 controller, and then hit Save again. Something you could do instead that might also be handy to make it easier to swap between the two is you could literally just duplicate the original default profile and call this PS4 version, and then hit Save, and then you can just edit this one to be your PlayStation controller, hit Save, and then now, when you want to use it, you can be like, this is currently Xbox mode, now we're in PlayStation mode. Pretty easy to do. And yeah, that's it. I hope you found that helpful. That's how you can switch to having it appear as a PlayStation controller. Buttons should appear if they're supported. If not, it might be broken. You can always switch it back. It's really easy to do. So that'll be it for this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.